Your audio is generated and sounds great. Let's export it. Click the Export button in the timeline area, the download icon. The export dialog opens with all your format and mastering options. If your project has multiple scripts, you'll first choose whether to export the current script or the entire project. Start by picking a mastering profile. For this example, I'll choose Apple Podcasts. The format, sample rate, bitrate, and loudness target all set automatically. If you're distributing to a specific platform, always use the matching preset. It saves you from researching the technical specs yourself. You can override any individual setting after selecting a preset. Here I'm switching from AAC to MP3. Both work for Apple Podcasts, but MP3 has wider compatibility. And I'll bump the bitrate to 192 kilobits for slightly better quality. Everything else stays as the preset configured it. Click Export. Choose where to save the file and what to name it. The export processes your audio through the mastering pipeline and writes the final file. Depending on length and format, this takes a few seconds to a minute. When it's done, you'll see the file path. Click to open the folder. Always spot check your export. Open the file and listen to the beginning, a section in the middle, and the end. Check that the volume feels right. The transitions between speakers are smooth and there are no unexpected artifacts. This takes 30 seconds and can save you from publishing problematic audio. That's single script export. Next, we'll cover batch exporting for larger projects with multiple scripts.